Last January, this bill made me actually cry. $340 for 1 month to heat a 1,200 square foot house. This January, $136, same house, same thermostat setting, same freezing winter. I spent one Saturday and $47 at Home Depot, and I'm about to show you every single thing I did. Okay, here's the challenge I gave myself. Nothing over $5, no special skills required, no calling a professional, no expensive smart thermostats, just me, one trip to Home Depot, and a Saturday afternoon. Because here's the thing, if you're cranking your thermostat higher and higher, and you're still freezing, you're not heating your house. You're heating your yard, you're heating the street. You're basically paying to warm up the entire neighborhood. So grab a pen, seriously. You're gonna wanna write these down because we're covering 10 tricks in 10 minutes. Let's go. Trick 1, door draft stopper or door snake. Watch this, see that? That is wind blowing into my house, under this door. Here's what you need. 1 pool noodle from the dollar store, that's $1, and an old sock or some fabric. Cut the pool noodle to the width of your door. Stuff it in the sock. Done. Now watch, no flicker, no draft, no cold air pouring in. $3, 2 minutes. Saves me about $12 a month. That's $144 a year. From a pool noodle. Trick 2, electrical outlet insulators. This one absolutely blew my mind because I had no idea this was even a thing. Put your hand near any outlet on an exterior wall. Feel that? That's cold air. I'm gonna show you why. Look at that. The smoke is getting pulled right through the wall. There's basically just a hole in your wall here, leading straight outside. These are outlet insulators. $4 for a pack of 12 at Home Depot. You just pop one behind every outlet cover. Takes literally 15 seconds per outlet. And now, nothing. Sealed. Here's the kicker. Every room in your house has 6 to 10 of these. Kitchen, living room, bedrooms, they're everywhere. One pack does 12 outlets, so grab 2 packs. This alone is saving me about $15 a month. Trick 3, window shrink film. Touch your window glass right now. Go ahead, I'll wait. This glass is 39 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 66 degrees in this room. See this condensation? That's your warm air hitting freezing glass and immediately losing all its heat. $5. This indoor window insulator kit from Home Depot will do several windows at once. You stick this double-sided tape around the window frame, press the film on, then use a hairdryer to shrink it tight. Look at that. You can't even see it now. Before 39 degrees, after 52 degrees. It's like adding a second pane of glass for $5. This is my biggest money saver, $18 a month. Trick 4, door sweep. Turn off your lights and look at the bottom of your exterior doors. If you can see daylight, cold air is flooding in. Door sweep, $5 at any hardware store. Adhesive backing. Peel off the backing, stick it to the bottom inside of the door. Press it down firm. That's it. No light, no draft. $10 a month saved. Next, trick 5, foam pipe insulation. If you've got a basement, crawl space, or even just exposed pipes in your utility room or garage, look at this. These are my hot water pipes. They're warm because my water heater just ran, but they're running through a freezing cold space. This pipe is 136 degrees. By the time the water gets to my faucet upstairs, it's lost 36 degrees of heat. Pipe foam. $4 for 6 feet at Home Depot. Got a slit down the side. You just open it up and snap it around the pipe. This one's got a self-sealing strip, just press it closed. Your water heater works less hard. Your water stays hotter. $8 a month back in your pocket. Trick 6, chimney balloon. For those of you with a fireplace you never actually use. Look up there. See that little dot of light? That's the sky. Your chimney is literally an open hole to the outside. Now, chimneys are designed to let smoke out, but physics doesn't care about design. Cold air comes down this chimney all winter long. This is a chimney balloon, $5 on Amazon. That's a chimney balloon 9 by 9 inch or size appropriate for your flue. You inflate it just with your breath and shove it up into the chimney. It wedges in place and completely blocks the draft. Big warning here, and I'm serious. You must take this out before you light a fire. That's why it's got this bright red tag hanging down to remind you. If you use your fireplace, this isn't for you. But if it's decorative, $14 a month, you're not losing up the chimney anymore. Trick 7, attic hatch insulation. Trick 7, the forgotten spot that everyone misses. Your attic hatch. Stand under it when it's open. Feel that? That's cold air literally falling on your head. Heat rises, escapes through here, and cold air drops back down. $5 for a foam board sheet. I'm sticking this to the back of my hatch with some construction adhesive, and then weather stripping around the edges where it sits in the frame. Heat rises. This stops it from rising right out of your house. $11 a month saved. Trick 8, radiator reflectors. If your radiators are on exterior walls, and most are, watch this. My hand is between the radiator and the wall. It is absolutely roasting back here. I am heating the wall outside my house. That's insane. $4 for a sheet of foil-faced foam board. Cut it to the size of your radiator, slide it behind, foil side facing into the room. Now all that heat bounces back into the room instead of soaking into the wall. Every radiator you do saves you money. I've got 5 radiators on exterior walls. That's $9 a month. Trick 9, dryer vent check. This one's usually free. This flapper should be closed right now. It should only open when the dryer's running. Mine, stuck open, just flapping in the wind. And look at this. I've got lint buildup and what looks like a bird tried to nest in here. This is a direct tube into my house. And a fire hazard, by the way. Clean it out. Make sure the flapper moves freely. If it's broken, a replacement flapper is $4 at Home Depot and takes 2 minutes to install. $7 a month you're not losing through your dryer vent. Plus, not burning your house down. Trick 10, weather strip window channels. The secret draft spot no one thinks about. Everyone thinks about the bottom of the window. But what about the sides, these channels where the window slides? Wind whistles right through. V-seal weather stripping. $5 for a roll at any hardware store. Cut it to length. Press it into the channel. The V shape compresses when you close the window. Sealed, no draft. This works on sliding patio doors too, by the way. $8 a month back from my windows. Okay, bonus round. 3 tricks that cost absolutely nothing. Bonus 1, your ceiling fan. There's a switch on the motor housing. Most people don't know this exists. In winter, flip it so the fan runs clockwise. It pushes the warm air that's risen to the ceiling back down. Run it on low speed. Game changer. Bonus 2, close vents in rooms you don't use. Guest room? Close it. Home office you only use during the day? Close it at night. Forces more heat into the rooms you actually live in. Now, one caveat, don't close more than 20% of your vents or you can mess with your furnaces or boilers' airflow. But a couple unused rooms? Totally fine. Bonus 3, move furniture away from vents and radiators. This chair was blocking my baseboard heater. The heat was just warming the back of the upholstery. Move it 2 feet out. Now the heat circulates through the whole room. 3 free tricks. You've got no excuse not to do these today. So here's my challenge to you. You don't have to do all 10, I get it. Life is busy. Pick your top 3, the ones that'll make the biggest difference in your house. For me, if I could only pick 3, it'd be the window film, the outlet insulators, and the door sweeps. But maybe you've got a massive fireplace you never use. Do the chimney balloon. Maybe you've got radiators or baseboard heaters on cold walls. Do the reflectors. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and let me know. Stay warm, spend less. See you in the next video on Stop Heat Loss. 12 DIY installation hacks that instantly cut your energy bill.